Namaste, my name is Sridhar, and I want to share with you an incident in my life. The incidents what I'm talking to you is the time when I get up in the morning. Whenever I used to get up in the morning, because due to heaviness, I used to feel a lot of tiredness, boredom, and confusion. This is quite normal, I was thinking, because of overweight. I thought, getting up in the morning is usually like this. It used to take minimum half an hour to 1 hour for me to come back to normalcy. Every day when I get up, there was lethargy, there was confusion, and boredom and tiredness. So this phenomenon was happening every day. I was thinking this is a part and parcel the way we live. This is the way we live in life, I was thinking, because of being overweight. One fine day, what happened in the month of April 2016, I got up in the morning as usual, took a cup of coffee and sat in front of the TV. And I on the TV that day. I don't usually see that channel. I saw a Kannada local TV channel. The channel what I'm mentioning is Janata TV. In the Janata TV, there was a Swamiji who was speaking. The Swamiji I'm referring to is Swamiji name is Nityananda Swamiji, where he was very familiar to me earlier because I used to read in the newspapers and media. I used to know about Swamiji, but I never seen Paramahamsa Nityananda speaking. That is, I never saw him giving a speech or what you call the satsang. What we call in satsang is a spiritual discourse. I never seen Swamiji give a spiritual discourse, and that day, the first time I started listening to his discourse, spiritual discourse that we call as satsang. Satsang means spiritual discourse. In that satsang, he mentioned something like introducing you to you. That really got me interested. He was talking about introducing you to you, and he spoke about how we perceive things, how we internalize it, and how we react to things. That what we call cognition. He was describing very beautifully in a very clear language, in English language. He was telling us how we look at things and how we perceive things and how we react to things. He was talking about authenticity. He was talking about being inauthentic. Then he was mentioning something about the cognitions, what we make. So surprisingly, what happened after listening to that discourse called introducing you to you, life was not the way it used to be for me. Every day in the morning, I get up with full of energy, full of enthusiasm, and I'm fully energetic in the morning. There is no tiredness or there is no boredom. I observed this after 1 week, because every day I used to get up and go and watch the TV. That's the correct time I used to go and log in and watch that discourses of Swamiji. These discourses actually change the way I look at things and change the way I look at life. So what I want to every of my viewers to say is, you can check in and find out more about Swamiji. His discourses or his satsang is available on the YouTube. You can want to know more, you can drop into Bididi Ashram. It is near Bangalore, 35 kilometers from Bangalore. You can check in to the Nityananda Adinam and find out more and know more about Swamiji Nityanandam.